Ma'am Garcia, do you think China is still a bully sa West Philippine Sea?
Yes, I think it's a bully. But I mean, I would like to touch on that. First of
Mhm,
all, they're lucky he didn't use Winnie the Pooh as background. Have you heard of that? That people use
mhm. Yep.
Winnie the Pooh to portray Xi Jinping. They're calling it damaging satire because, when people use satire to explain complex issues. By the way, yung mga nandun, they call it a snitch. Dito, 'di ba? Anong tawag nila? Snitches, stitches.
Yung mga sumbongero, sumbongera, ika nga.
'Di ba? Anong sinasabi nila? Snitches get stitches. Alam niyo ba 'yon?
Yeah, yep. Yeah, and I think I think talagang ano, talaga pong, masyadong, binigyan ng pansin ng embahada 'to sa Pilipinas ng Chinese, ambassador. Apparently, kung isa pang ang problema dito is that yung bagong ambassador nag-present lang po siya ng credentials sa ating pangulo last December, and the ambassador was coming from Washington DC. Talagang ang sabi nga ni Commodore dito, ang ambassador na 'to talagang mainit sa gobyerno, talagang binabanatan talaga siya ng todo, up to the point na the embassy was complaining directly to the government na bakit daw parang hindi dinidisiplina. Yeah.
The substance of what Tariela was saying. So now he is going to get upset about the caricature. Kasi hindi niya pwedeng refute yung mga sinabi ni Tariela because what Tariela claims about China's actions is backed by videos, by photos, and official reports. So he's focusing on the cartoon because he cannot refute the evidence.
And the Chinese president doon sa satire. So how would they know that if it is that president.
And daw huwag magalit. Eh, balay ba niya na ganun pala ang mukha ni Xi Jinping?
Mhm. Mhm.
What it's doing is it wants to normalize illegal behavior in our own waters. Kita na. This is normal. They use Coast Guard ships, militia vessels. Yung warships ginagamit nila to intimidate Filipino fishermen and block resupply missions. It's classic coercion. They push hard. They deny everything. And then they hope that the smaller country gets tired. But the Philippines isn't backing down. Maliit lang kami, but we have a bigger arm.
Totoo po.